Grand Rapids, known by many as GR, Beer City, USA, especially for us as Founders Brewery is right across the street from our law offices, Furniture City, and other titles, has some of Michigan's most dangerous intersections as well. Crashes often happen at US 131 and Wealthy Street, with 73 crashes and 12 injuries reported in 2024 alone, ranking it among the most dangerous in the state. And at Franklin Street, Southwest and US 131, with 75 crashes last year. But Michigan Auto Law is here to help. If you are searching for the best car accident lawyers for your crash in Grand Rapids, here's what you need to know. After a crash, exchange information, take photos, and get medical attention if you're hurt. Then speak with an attorney before talking to any insurance company. Michigan's no-fault insurance laws are complex, and insurance companies often try to limit what they should pay you. Our car accident lawyers bring specialized experience and a strong record of results to cases in Grand Rapids, working to recover full compensation for you. There are no out-of-pocket fees, so you pay nothing until we win your case. So do you need a lawyer after a car accident in Grand Rapids? The answer is probably yes. An experienced attorney can make a real difference for you. A skilled law firm handles everything from investigation to negotiation, so you can focus on healing. Call Michigan Auto Law today for a free consultation. There are no out-of-pocket fees, and you pay nothing until we win for you.